What's happening, guys? Spice King Keith Lorren here today, and I'm going to show you how to make one of the world's most fabulous curries. This is an all-vegan curry dish, and it's dedicated to Alexandria from our Instagram page, and the famous, most beautiful singer, Maya. I love her. I know she's coming to Miami soon, so listen, Maya, if you're watching, I'll cook all of this for you. Just give me a call. Let's get started. I'm going to show you all of our ingredients. All right, so we have portobello mushrooms, tofu, pumpkin, cilantro, green, yellow, and red bell peppers, shallots. We have a broccoli medley with broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and we also have potatoes. For our garnishes, we're going to be using fresh cilantro, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to blanch our potatoes. And as it's boiling, I want to add a bay leaf in here just to give it some depth. Once this is halfway cooked, I'm going to add our broccoli medley. Now with every curry, you gotta have perfectly steamed jasmine rice. Now with everything, you have to taste to make sure the flavor is perfect. Oh, and it's so good. Wow, look how great that looks. It smells so fantastic. Now it's time to fry our tofu, and the purpose of frying it is to make it nice and crispy. So I'm adding a little bit of peanut oil in our pan, and I'm turning my temperature on high heat. So we're giving the tofu a nice quick toss so that nothing sticks. Now, as soon as it comes out of the oil, I'm going to take a little bit of the Keith Lorren all-purpose seasoning. We're going to make some crispy onion rings to go on top of our curry as a garnish. So let's take a look at our rice. Ladies and gentlemen, look how perfect this rice is. I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of coconut oil. So now we're gonna saute our vegetables separately. See, you notice I'm doing all of the vegetables separately so that we don't have a mush. Next, I'm going to come in with just a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and just a little bit of shallots. Now I'm going to come in with the Keith Lorren Caribbean curry. Finally, we're going to add a little bit of the Keith Lorren Scotch bonnet pepper. Use Keith Lorren spices. I promise you, I'm gonna make your whole life taste better. My name is Keith Lorren and I'm the king of spice, and I hope you enjoy these recipes. I'll see you next week.